Man, everyone loses motivation so quickly. Moving feels like such a hassle. Zero motivation, you know. Come on. Humans turn into frogs. Frogs sometimes into birds, it seems. When motivation fades, the mood gets all mushy. Where to go? There, even reaching out feels like a chore.
Where's the discounted pudding?
Where is it? Where is it?
Where's the discounted yogurt?